Understanding the phrase, a Goliath. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the world of English idioms and phrases and explore the meaning behind the phrase, a Goliath. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also its origins and how to use it in sentences. The term, Goliath, actually originates from a biblical story. In the Bible, Goliath was a giant warrior from the Philistine army who was famously defeated by a young shepherd named David, despite his immense size and strength. David's victory over Goliath is often viewed as a classic underdog story, where the smaller, seemingly weaker opponent overcomes a much stronger adversary. In modern English, when someone or something is referred to as a Goliath, it often means that they are gigantic or dominant in some capacity. It can refer to a person, a company, or even an obstacle. For instance, a big corporation in an industry might be referred to as a Goliath compared to smaller companies. Examples: 1. In the world of online retail, Amazon is often seen as a Goliath. 2. Facing his fears was like confronting a Goliath for him. Now that you understand the meaning behind the phrase, it's important to know how to use it effectively. The key is to use it in contexts where there's a clear contrast between something big or dominant and something smaller or weaker. Wrong usage: he is a Goliath among his friends. This lacks context. Why is he a Goliath? Correct usage: in the world of chess, he is a Goliath, having defeated many international champions. So, there you have it. The phrase, a Goliath, is a nod to an ancient story, but its meaning in modern English is all about size, strength, or dominance. It's a great phrase to have in your arsenal, especially when discussing contrasts. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds another dimension to your English language journey. Until next time, happy learning!